Hi, I'm Dan with Kwik Plumbers, and I'm standing here with Mark. We're down in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Work late, wrapping up a job here. And Mark had a bunch of rotted cast iron pipe under this house, roots, cockroaches, cracks, holes in his cast iron, and he had some different options. One was tear a beautiful house up, cut floors, and he didn't want to do all that. And I'll let Mark kind of tell you the rest of that. Go ahead, Mark.
Yeah, so unfortunately I didn't know anything about the cast iron pipe problem in Florida until after I bought the house, right, 6 years ago. I'm not interested in demoing the interior of the house. Don't really want to go through that expense. So I found Dan, talked to Dan, he came out, did an inspection, gave me a rough estimate which corresponded with his quote. Gave me some timelines to do it while I was here in Florida rather than when I was back at home in Minnesota. Everything got done. Everything got done what appears to be right. I say it's good to go.
All right, there you go. Mark says what he had to say, and appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.